Good morning everyone. Our project name is Sustainable Development City. We are spark seekers. Myself S.M. Seran. He is my friend Keith Dugashan. He is peers of our project activities. He is Ariban and Sabina. We are from Sri Shanmugam Matriculation High Secondary School, Managuri.
Problem. We faces many problems in our society by our classmate. The example for the problems are he is here and he is from rural area. There is much shortage of electricity there. In my street, I face that the street light is working in daylight but not in night. My another friend has sunburns by UV rays.
The solution, the way to reduce the problem is sustainable development city. One of these best way to reduce the problem like pollution, climate changes and poverty through sustainable development city. It helps to meet our needs without harming our nature, future.
Pictures of our city. Our city has automatic street light that works in night but not in after dawn break. 75% of carbon was absorbed by the smoke absorber. It provides a pollution-free environment. Our city uses solar energy and also wind energy. If there is some shortage of electricity, our backup generator will provide electricity to the whole city. The greenhouse provides the clean oxygen to us and prevent the sun from the UV rays.
Roles in this project. I create smoke observers.
I create road and the bridge.
I create hospital and building.
I create old city decoration.
I constructed the automatic street light and the greenhouse. Conclusion. By making every city as sustainable, we can make our India developed country. Let me show the demo.
This is street light. This smoke absorber.